Sanibona bafethu uphila again. Namhlanje bafethu ngifuna sikhulume nge-Nasdaq ukuthi i-Nasdaq siyi-trader kanjani bafowethu. Okay, before siye ekudeni ngicela ukubonga kibo bonke abasubscribile ku-channel. If ungasubscribanga, you still have a chance to subscribe ukuthi ungaphuthelwa i-information ebalulekile ezakusiza kusasa. Okay. I-Nasdaq bafethu ayikho nzima. There's nothing hard nge-Nasdaq. It's something simple ongayenza ulele, but only if was a price action from A up to Z. Price action is something simple but engashintsha impilo yakho ngesikhathi esincane. I-price action is simple ngendlela yokuthi ama-student wami ngiwathatha ngiwanikeze yona for just 3 months. Mabaqeda they know ukuthi kwenzakalani, how simple it is. Abanye I know ukuthi bazobukela futhi they know ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani, bayazi i-price action into efana nani and how to trade i-price action. Thina lakhaya asikakaduri, information asincishani ngayo bafowethu. Ukufunda lakhaya is only 1.5. Izinto zingakashintshi kusesekahle nje lakhaya, it's affordable because akusiyinto ongancisha umuntu le. But asiphumeni kuleyo nto leyo. I-point lami lisekutheni sifunde ukuthi i-trade wa kanjani. I'll try by all means ukuthi ngisummarize ngiyenze ibe short niyibone. Okay. Into last week le angisuse izobonakala kahle. Alright, remember when you start analyzing bafethu siqala from higher time frame and check ukuthi i-market ime kanjani and also check i-market structure. As we can see, the market ime kanjani, the price is going up. But when ku market you don't just look ukuthi i-price iyaphezulu kuphela. You need ukuthi uma uchecka i-structure se-market ubone ukuthi what's going to happen in future or when. As we can check, mina sekunento engiyibonile already. But lento le is one thing a simple ngenye indlela onge-understand if ungayazi i-price action. Omunye will be asking ukuthi ngibona kanjani kwenzakalani, lento engiyenzile ngiyenze kanjani. It's only price action. If you know price action uzokwazi uku-identify izinto ezikanje. Mina ke uma ngitrader nama-student wami, I also teach them the same. We don't use indicators. If sisebenza ama-indicators, that means asazi ukuthi senzani. Okay, so let's go down ku day sibone ukuthi i-structure ku day sime kanjani. Okay, igama siyaliphakamisa bafethu, kumele libe phezulu. Alright, let's zoom in sibone ukuthi structure sethu sime kanjani. Okay, this thing engiceda ukuyithola ngale ku daily naila ebothi market ijike kuphi yabuya azojika kuphi. What happened here? Ayibona kunezinto ezifana nabo support and resistance. Those are the things that ngathini ngayibeka kanjani. Those are the things ekumele uzazi mawusebenza i-price action. Kune support, kune resistance, ziya flipper lezi zinto sizibiza nge-flip. Kubuye kube ne-zone. I-zone ijikisa i-market like this is a zone, but i-zone yethu iphansi kwani kwe-support and resistance, ingaphansi kwe-support and resistance bafethu. Kodwa ngoba seyidlulile la, asifocuseni in future ukuthi i-price ikuphi manje iyapi. And also remember bafethu, i-trend line iyasebenza kakhulu futhi, but kumele uyi-understand was how to trade i-trend line. As you can see here, iyagula nyana lento, iyathanda ukubaleka. Yebo, kahle ke manje yabona i-trend line sibheka i-first touch, sibheke i-second touch, then silinda i-last touch of which is i-third touch yethu. Mayibuya for the third time we buy. Doesn't matter ukuthi iphansi i-trend line yethu or iphezulu, you buy. Yabona la i-tested 2 times after, or actually let me know 2 times. I-testile kokuqala of which is the third one, and kwesi-4 imibuya yahamba futhi. As we can see, so lokho yahamba lapho nge-S4. So now asibheke izinto eziduze ne-market right now. Esiduze ne-price, I mean to say i-price imeduze nani, yini into engacontrola i-price as we speak. okay, ethi ngikhiphe logo into za last week lezi ngichaze zona singayekudeni. Angifuni ukwenza ivideo izoba yinde ezoconfuse abantu. I'll start small ngoba I know ukuthi abanye they'll want to come ukuthi babe ama-student, but they need to understand i-concept kwenzakalani ku-price action. Let me go on my left. Kunezinto ezifana naboma-trend line, ezifana naboma-rally base rally, izinto ekumele sizi-understande lezo, like this thing naye ayibona ukuthi ime kanjani. Okay, asidlule kiyo le, siye kule eduze ne-price. Kahle kahle senginikhomba ukuthi what do we do when we trade aboma-Nasdaq, and lento engitshengisa yona is not only for i-Nasdaq, you can use it ku anything oyitradeayo. This is the only way yokuthi ukwazi ukutrade. As you can see here, sinani sine price eyaphezulu, not I mean to say sine structure esikhomba ukuthi it was an uptrend. So now how do we define this? Is rally base rally. You get it? So now ikhuphukile ya create this rally base rally. I-rally base rally into esebenzisa ama big banks for ukuthi babuye bazovula ama orders in future. What do I mean mangithi ama orders in future? I mean ukuthi mayisehambile ishiya rally base rally, izohamba ibuye izotesta i-rally base rally bese iyachiya. As you can see ukuthi ithe mayifika on top ya gapha kanje, amithu ya gapha kanje, yabuye yazotesta i-rally base rally ngekhandlela eli1. So ama traders, they were aware ukuthi bashiye i-gap la. So what they did, ba-accelerate i-price yehlele phansi with one candle yazotesta i-rally base rally. If bowazi lana, you wait for the price to get near the zone, you buy, you don't hesitate. After buying, ibuyile yazotesta. If ubuy la, uyivala as soon as ifika la ugap i-close, you sell mayifika la phezulu. Why are you selling? I-gap izoyibuyisela back phansi. Okay, fine. Mayibuyela phansi, what happened? Sithola ukuthi i-creator something like this. Let's pretend ukuthi le part engapha ayikho ayibonakala. You have only these two. What do? We extend the line lakho like this. Ukuthi should i-price ibuya, ngizo expect ukuthi ibuyela kuphi. Angithi ayibona ukuthi ime kanjani i-line lethu. So itestile yabuya yakhuphuka futhi. So mase ila, you wait, the line will draw kanje, uyaliyeka nje for in future. What the price did, ibuye yazotesta la for the third time. My buyer for the third time, you don't hesitate, you buy as well, but you check on your left. You buy, and remember now my figure roboting, you don't just cross, you look on your left. Even if i-robot likuvumela, you observe ukuthi akunanto ezokulimaza na. I mean like ikare ngakshayisa. So same applies here. You check with akuna something engadonsi market with izela before ichika. So wenzela ini, wenzela ukuthi ukwazi ukuplace i-stop loss endaweni e-right. Yes, sizokhuluma ngako lokho over time, but now let's focus ku price yenzani. So as ichike la ku trend line, you buy. Ibuyile la. If you go to smaller time frame, you will see something like this. Look at this on your left. It's 1, 2, 3. Angazi how many times here. Yadlula, yabuya yazotesta futhi. It's a flip. The support iphenduke i-resistance. I-resistance iphenduke i-support. You understand? Because ngapha emove beyishaya kuphi, yabuya seyishaya kuphi manje. The flip eyenzakele, that means this horizontal line is very strong. Itestile manje, yabuya yazoyitesta again. Kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi the line is very strong, but mase iteste kanje mina ngingasafuni ukuyisebenzisa because of i-manipulation ingaba iningi kakhulu, and nokuthi ingasahold kungaba nama chances amaningi. So now i-price ibuyile, ithe mayibuya yenzani? Angithi itestile, this is our trend line. Yabuya yazothatha i-trend line again. Wena into yenzayo, you just know i-price action ukuthi i-price action ihamba kanjani. Bafethu isikhathi sishayile, please don't forget to